So let's briefly go over these media types that you've seen. The media types kind of provide type safety for your encrypted messages. They are not part of the encrypted message itself. You will need to pass around and provide these media types, but they need to match between respective open or seal and open operations. In that way, they're similar to the key IDs, though those also need to match. All this data is part of the so-called additionally authenticated data. So it's not encrypted, but it's authenticated, meaning it needs to match. The integrity of that data is guaranteed by the symmetric key or the symmetric encryption algorithms that HPKE uses. We can quickly check what happens if they don't match. Let's no, not here. In the serve request, what if we hard code a different media type? We will get a you will see that message authentication failed, indicating that this data was not was not matching.